Today, a pair of naughty babies are going to steal Skye's helicopter. Will the Paw Patrol be able to get the helicopter back and save the babies? Come on! Are you leaving?
Yes, it's time to have lunch.
Oh, you're right. I also have to leave. Wait a moment. Where are the kids? I can't see them.
They were playing in the merry-go-round.
Oh, they disappeared.
Don't worry, we have to keep calm. The Paw Patrol's lookout is very close. I'm sure they can help us.
You are right. Come on. Paw Patrol! What happens? Our babies disappeared.
They disappeared from the playpen.
Oh, don't worry. We will find them. Shh! They are gonna see us. Okay, come on. Oh, look! A helicopter! Yes, it's a Skye's helicopter. Hey, come on! Yes, Ooh! Let's fly! Chase, I think that I should fly over the city for finding the babies. Yes, good idea, Skye. We will see them. Come on. Wait a moment. What's wrong? What's wrong? Can't you see it? Skye, I don't get it. The helicopter, it's gone. Oh, are you sure you left it here? Yes, sure, as always. Come on, Paw Patrol. We have to look for the babies. Come on, we can't waste more time. Ryder, my helicopter disappeared. What? I can't believe it. What can we do now? We have to look for them. Come on! Yay!
Oh, Skye is landing. Wait a moment. What are you doing in Skye's helicopter?
Flying!
Hey, you made a mess. Let's go to the lookout.
No.
Come here.
No, Ryder. I can't find them. Me neither.
I found them, guys.
Where are they?
They landed your helicopter.
What? Did they steal my helicopter?
Yes, and it seems they had so much fun.
This is a mess. Where are they now?
I really don't know.
Rubble, why didn't you bring them with you?
They can run a lot. They can't stop. And I don't know anything about babies.
Hello.
Well, I don't want to be part of this. Here they are. Bye-bye.
Rubble. Why did you do that? Skye is the best. Oh my God. You are two very naughty babies. These babies are very naughty. Do you remember where did they lose the babies? At the playpen or at home? You can write the answer in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to watch more of their adventures, you can click on one of these videos. Bye!